Okay, first you gotta fry this one. Just burn it. Lang siya ng konti. Pero ano, pwede ka gumamit ng any kind of sausage. Okay siya, kaya ginaganon po kasi para extra flavor to siya, guys. Okay, brown na siya, guys. So, kunin na natin siya. Now we're gonna put all the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna put the half onion. Put the onion. Don't put all the onion yet. Tapos, set aside ko lang to dito. Then, that's the butter, guys. I put the butter on it. Then, the cooking oil. Just put all together. And the olive oil. This is the main ingredients for Crawfish Etouffee. Ang tawag nito Roux. Then, ayan, na siya. Tapos put na siya ng little bit by little bit flour. Then, you just constantly stir it. Yan, mix lang siya, guys. Para hindi siya lumpy. Then, put it again. This is too much to do, but very delicious. Then, put all together. Yan. So, you need to do like, very, parang ibubor mo talaga siya. Yan, mix lang tayo, guys, until ma-burn siya. Parang sunog na Kasi ito kasi yung pang niya, pang flavor. A dark brown. It's gonna be like dark brown color. Okay. Na siya, guys. So, na siya, super dark na siya talaga. You cannot see it, but it's dark now. It's like peanut butter yung color niya, guys. Yung super dark na peanut butter color. Yun ang gayahin nyo, guys. Now, natin? Ilagay na natin yung Holy Trinity. That's the Louisiana called the three colors of, we call it Holy Trinity, Louisiana. Celery. Yan, ito ha. Tatlong yan, color ng bell pepper. Then, ilagay na lahat, pati celery. Then, onion. Yan. Tsaka yung ko kanina, yung onion at saka garlic, yan. I-script nyo lang yung sa guys, ha. It's okay pag burn na siya, guys. Kasi yan talaga ang flavor niya. Yung burn talaga. Yung parang sunog. So, ito lang to siya. Iano mo lang siya na mga 5 minutes, guys, ha. 4 cups of water. Yan. Tapos, yung seafood stock. Mix. Hold on, baby. Ano yan ha? Chicken cube yan ha? Chicken cubes. Just all the way to then all the herb spicy, guys. Okay. There's always, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just gonna then tomatoes. Then we just need to just mix and mix for 30 minutes. Yeah, i-cook mo lang to ng 30 minutes, guys. I-ano muna to siya, guys. I-boil siya. After na maano siya, ma-boiled. Ayun na, 30 simmer for 30 minutes, guys. Okay? So, lagi mo siya stir in every 10 minutes, guys. Okay? Para hindi talaga siya masunog. Ayan. This is the one you need to get the thing. Like, the thickness. Like this. Ayan, na-simmer ko na siya ng 30 minutes, guys, ha. So, ilagay ko na yung, Tunis seasoning. Yan. I-ano ko yan doon sa sa description. Tapos stir lang siya, guys. Ilo pa din yung yung apoy. Yan, stir lang siya. Then, ito yung sausage na inano ko kanina. Yan. Then, ilagay na natin yung pinaka ingredients. Yung crawfish etouffee. Guys, pag kasi wala naman talagang crawfish especially sa Pilipinas. Walang crawfish. Pwede siya shrimp, guys. Shrimp or chicken. Gawin nyo siya ng chicken, shrimp, yan lang. Saka pwede din yung chicken, guys. Masarap din yung chicken, guys. Nyo lang. Yan, ito lang lahat, guys. Tapos, wait lang tayong na mga Kaya, gumawa kami ng, pag nagagawa kasi kami ng crawfish, dinadamihan na namin kasi pwede naman siya ilagay sa, i-frozen nyo, guys. Kasi the more, mag-stay sa frozen. Masarap, super siya, super masarap. Kaya, gumagawa kami ng maraming crawfish etouffee. Yan, guys. Tapos, lang to siya, mag-simmer for 15 minutes. 15 minutes more for the simmer. And after that,